Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create an NFL account on PC. Before we begin with the tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any other tutorials like this. NFL stands for National Football League. It is a major professional American football league. To create an NFL account on PC, first open any web browser on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.nfl.com, then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to NFL's website. Now here you can see sign in option at top right side of the website. Click on sign in option at top. With that, here you can see the sign in page. Then on the side you can see sign up option. Click on sign up. Now here you need to fill all the information. First you need to enter your email address on the given box. Then you need to enter your password on the given box. Make sure your password is strong with 8 minimum characters, 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase, 1 symbol and 1 number. After that, enter your first name on the given box, then enter your last name. With that, now enter your date of birth on the given box. Then select your country. Now enter your zip code. It is an optional choice. After entering the zip code, now click on the box stating that I agree that the NFL including member clubs may send me the content, others and more. Then once view terms of services and privacy policy, as by clicking on create account you are agreeing to NFL's terms of service and privacy policy. After entering all the credentials, click on create account. With that, you will be able to create an NFL account. Now here you can further continue with the process. You can select your team after, or you can also skip the process by clicking on skip at the top. With that, click on continue. With that, all the process will be completed. As you can see here, my NFL account has been created. This is how we can create NFL account on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.